Just made it through the security checkpoint at border getting into Jackman, Maine in the United States. There was definitely a lot of Tesla interest, which is cool. At least there's something to talk about other than just talking about driving or sports, I guess. Here we go. They said it's about 15 miles into Jackman. So, not too bad. Oof. Oh wow, there's already like peaks. Big mountain peaks right here. Might need to get some pictures. Maine's got me questioning this. Like, road's really bumpy all the way into town. I'm sure it'll be more okay. So there's like the main drag. This is like bum 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 bum. I wish I could remember what the moose icon looked like, but I swear the moose icon changed. Or elk. It's kind of cool. Coming up to the Jackman Supercharger here. Need to find lunch / kind of regroup as to which route I'm taking through Maine. So now's a good time to just plug in. Hopefully there's not amenities. Hopefully there's some options over here. This is super snowmobile country. Where is it? Hidden back here somewhere? Oh, back here. Oh, they have charge points too. 4 chargers. Propane. Get your propane here. Get your charger. Get your charge on. Get your propane.
I live in the real world where men sell propane and propane accessories.
Get your whatever. Let's just get a coffee. It's 8:34 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, and I am beat. Service, but the scenery is quite beautiful. In Maine here, there's really no cell phone service. I've seen some service on Google Fi, but nothing on Verizon. This is an interesting section. Fire helmets. I just got LTE on the Tesla screen for the first time now that I've just started to exit Bingham and come up to the North County Rivers Whitewater area here. And I have an update. I looked up the update last night. It appears it's just a bunch of bug fixes. Behind the Ruby Tuesday. Superchargers. I like this signage. Power provided by Ruby Tuesday. They went through all the trouble of getting this set up and it's their parking lot, then they should obviously get mad credit for that. It's the only amenity here. Update came through. There's 8 chargers here. Getting a lot of stares. People aren't used to seeing Teslas here, apparently. This is what a car looks like after driving through Canada. And now I'm in Maine. Just got a package returned. I didn't realize how quick it was gonna be to get into Canada, and I didn't end up getting couple packages shipped back. It's like as soon as I left the city, boom, started snowing. Wasn't supposed to snow for a few more days or like next week. But weather's unpredictable. Looking at the map, this will be awesome coming back. Looks really pretty. Lots of water.